Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, check out this new Ryobi battery powered pruner. Artie McYarty here, and I like to prune my bush quite frequently, and so frequently so that I got carpal tunnel in my right arm. So it's high time we try this battery powered one out and see what juice it has. Let's go. Ready?
Yeah. How did that get in the lawn?
So this bad boy can cut through inch and a half or so diameter. First impressions? Yep, A+ on that. Not only that, but it's within milliseconds that it's ready to cut the next branch off. As you can see, it's extremely quick. Very sensitive trigger. Well, watch the video. You decide for yourself. What is your thought on this tool? Would you go battery power, or are you old school analog? Also, what do you prefer? Hedge trimmers or pruning? For this situation, these are more like shrubs versus hedges, so I do like me pruning. It's a little bit more surgical, more strategic, if you will. I will say though, my personal situation, I will be ditching the everyday analog pruners, and I'm sticking with this battery-powered pruner. It's pretty dang good. So the tool only, brushless, it's about $129. If you get the brush version, it's about $70. You decide. Home Depot or Amazon?